Hi class, welcome to week 10. This lesson or this week we put together all of the information we've learned and we write our informational essay. So basically from week 6 through week 9 we've been learning about topics, and so I have created a template for you and I want to show you how to use it, okay? So I'm going to go over how to write either a 4-paragraph or a 5-paragraph essay, depending on what you chose. Okay, so first we're going to go over the 4-paragraph essay. So remember, you can tell the type of essay you're writing by how many listed items are in here. So this is going to be a 2-paragraph essay because, this is going to be a 4-paragraph essay because there's 2 listed items. I know I have to include an introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Let me show you how this works. So I'm going to copy and paste my question, and then I'm going to go ahead and just put it in the prompt. Okay, this is a document you will not submit to me. This is just to help you write your essay and make sure that you have everything. All right, so I have my prompt here. A hook is something that's going to grab the reader's attention. So for example, I might say, did you know there is a difference in your income? Okay, then I'm going to give background about the information. And then I'm going to create a thesis statement. Remember, a thesis statement, we take words from our question and we reuse them in our sentence, in the thesis. So I'm going to start off and say, there is a difference between fixed and variable income. Okay, so there's my thesis. And so look, I have my first paragraph already completed. This second body paragraph is going to become the paragraph where I talk about fixed income, okay? So I'm going to say is and ... Okay, and then you're going to fill in what fixed income is and explain it. Support is where you include a quote from the website that you found or the source. Maybe you're using a quote from lds.org. Did you know that you can even use a source from our website, our course? Then my next item is going to be variable income. And then I'm going to create a topic sentence about that. Do my spell check. Variable income is ... And then you're going to explain what variable income is. Okay. And then look, I don't have another topic listed in my thesis. So this is only going to be a 4-paragraph essay. And then I'm able to include my conclusion. Okay. So now I'm going to talk about a 5-paragraph essay. Okay, so we are back at our list of questions, and look, this one, what are 3 steps people can take to avoid debt? All right, so this is going to be a 5-paragraph essay because it has 3 steps that I'm going to talk about. So I will take this and I will copy and paste it right here. What are 3 steps people can take? Okay, so remember my hook is I'm going to use a question or a quote. Do you know that, I'm just going to make this up, 50% of people may lose their house? And that's a interesting quote. Make sure, or a fact, make sure the fact you use is real. And then I'm going to explain why 50% of people may lose their house. Okay. And then my first body paragraph is going to be about step 1, people can take to avoid debt. Okay. And then remember to explain the topic, support it with evidence. This is where you are going to find that quote from the website. Body paragraph 3 is where I'm going to talk about step 2. And then paragraph 4, I'm going to talk about step 3. And look, so this is an example of where I have used all of the body paragraphs. So my goal is that hopefully you can understand which of these questions is a 4 or a 5 paragraph essay. Let me just show you real quick. What are the primary differences between top, middle, and lower level goals? This is going to be a, you got it, 5 paragraph essay because it has 3 listed ideas. This is going to be a 5 paragraph essay because of the 3. This is a 4 paragraph essay because it says 2 items. What are the 3 steps people can take to avoid debt? This is going to be a 5 paragraph. This is a 4 paragraph essay, a 5 paragraph essay, and this one is a 4 paragraph essay. We've already talked about that one. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how to write your essays. And again, remember that when you write your thesis, you take words from the prompt and reuse them in your thesis. This is worth a lot of points. I want you to be successful. So any questions you have, please post them. Okay? Have a great day.